Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your name in Messenger, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank profile loaded up. I just got into the app, and I'll be showing you how you can change your name from here. Now, there are two different ways that you can do this. You can change your name, or your nickname rather, in different chats and in group chats, which is the more practical one, or you can go and do so through the Meta account center. To actually get to the account center, you just want to go into the menu, tap on the settings, and you just want to scroll all the way down and go into not Meta Quest. You need to go into the Meta account center. Then you can just choose the profiles, and from there you can tap the profile you want to change the name of. I won't be doing that since you do need to wait 60 days before you make another change of your name. But if you want to just do this through your account or through Messenger, so that you can change your name in any chat without necessarily changing your login information, you just go into the chat, tap on I, and here you will have nicknames, and here you can set a nickname for whoever you want, however you want, and you just need to write whatever it is. I'll just write nickname and just set that. And now, as you can see, at the very top, the name is still the same when I scroll up, but the nickname has been changed at this sort of top icon, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.